Once you log into CreateLMS, you'll be able to see this dashboard here. Any news that you want everyone to be able to see, you go ahead and publish it and it will show here. So I'll show you how to do that. In the administration panel, on the left menu bar, you'll go down to news. You can create a new news widget, or you can use an existing one and republish it. If you want to create a new one, it's very easy. You'll want to create how you want it to display. So title on the left with a picture on the right, picture on the left with title on the right, or maybe a picture, title, picture, or HTML content. So pick which one you want to format with. You'll go ahead and hit next, hit what title you like, and then provide any content that you would like as well. And then lastly, add in a photo that you would want to have in here. So again, this is just an example. We'll go ahead and plug and play with this. This is what it'll look like on the dashboard if you go ahead and publish this. And I'm not going to publish it. We already have our set. But once you go ahead and publish this and then go to the dashboard, this right here where it says welcome to our new learning management system, CreateLMS, this will show, this block at the top will show the news that you published. So definitely a very easy way to get a message across to all your users and learners, and highly recommend customizing this to fit your company or your team, whoever will be using this, as it is a nice way to welcome them into the platform, share an update, and give them something to interact with. As soon as they log in, this is what they'll see. So definitely highly recommend going ahead and customizing this.